Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Apple Pay Cash, and more specifically, I'm going to answer a question I've been getting a lot lately, and that is, how do you transfer your Apple Pay Cash to your bank debit card? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, it's going to be a really quick video, not a lot of steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. And it's all handled here in the Apple Wallet. It's this black icon with like kind of a colorful looking wallet. This is nothing you need to download. It's already pre-installed on your iOS device. So I'm going to go ahead and open my wallet now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and opened up my Apple Pay wallet, and this is the home screen. And if you're not familiar with Apple Pay Cash, basically what it is, it's a way for you to send and receive money from family and friends through iMessage. If you need help setting up your Apple Pay Cash, go back and watch my other video that describes how to do that in detail. But this video is only set up to show you how to transfer your Apple Pay Cash that you receive from somebody else into your bank debit card, so that way you can use it off your bank debit card. So first I'm going to go ahead and open up my Apple Pay Cash. It's this card right here. It's called Cash, and it has a little Apple icon next to it. As you can see, I have $15 in my Apple Pay Cash. I'm going to open it now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and opened up my Apple Pay Cash, and once you're here, then you're going to show how much money you have in your Apple Pay Cash. So as you can see, mine says $15. It's also going to show different transactions that you have with your Apple Pay Cash. But if you'd like to transfer your Apple Pay Cash to your bank debit card, like your Chase Bank or Bank of America or Wells Fargo or something like that, what you want to do is click on this button here on the top right. It's got three little dots. It has a black circle. I'm going to click there now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and clicked there. Next, you're going to see this screen that once again shows your balance. But what you want to look for if you would like to transfer your Apple Pay Cash to your bank debit card is you want to click on this button right here called Transfer to Bank. It has a little blue arrow next to it. I'm going to click there now. Okay, next, Apple Pay Cash is going to ask how much money you would like to transfer from your Apple Pay Cash to your bank debit card. So for me, for the purpose of this video, I'm only going to type in $1. Okay, once you have chosen how much you would like to transfer, you want to click this blue Next button. I'm going to click there now. Okay, guys, this is kind of an important step here, so just be aware that you have two different ways to send your Apple Pay Cash to your bank debit card, and it really depends on how quick you want the money to be available on your bank debit card. So they have the instant transfer, and this is sent through your bank debit card. There is a fee attached with that. As you can see down here, it's 25 cents minimum, but usually 1% of the total amount that you're going to be transferring from your Apple Pay Cash to your bank debit card. Now, it says instant transfer. Anytime I've done instant transfer, it goes through within 2 minutes. However, they do let you know down here that if you are going to transfer your Apple Pay Cash to your bank debit card with an instant transfer, it can take up to 2 hours. So just be aware of that. Or you can go with a free option, which is 1 to 3 business days. And if you're sending your Apple Pay Cash this way, you will need to enter in your bank account number and your routing number, and the money is directed into your account through ACH. So that's a little bit different. Once the account receives the money from your Apple Pay Cash, it would become available to withdraw from your bank or to use on your bank debit card. So I'm not going to use this feature because it just takes a little bit long for this video, but I'm going to show you how to set it up. Just click on this line right here, and then I'll come back and do the instant transfer. So I'm going to click on 1 to 3 business days. Okay, next you will need to enter in your bank routing number and your account number. The best way to find this information is off of your checkbook that your bank had given you. If you don't have a paper check available, you can usually log in through the app. So again, if you log with Chase or Bank of America or Wells Fargo, just log into the app and it should have your account number there. If not, go into your transaction history for your bank account and look for a paid canceled check. So if you wrote your rent check or a car payment check, something like that, pull up the image of that paid check, and then at the bottom you will see your routing number and account number. If all else fails, just call your bank and they will be able to give you your routing number and account number. With that information, then you can initiate the transfer of your Apple Pay Cash to your bank account. Once it hits your bank account in 1 to 3 business days, then you will be able to use that money on your bank debit card. But let me go back and show you the instant transfer. Okay, guys, I went ahead and went back. So here we are on the instant transfer. So if you have a debit card already associated with your Apple Pay wallet, then it's going to show that card, the last 4 digits right here. For me, I removed my bank debit card from my Apple Pay wallet, so that way I can show you how this works. So in order to transfer your Apple Pay Cash to your bank debit card, click on this top line, Instant Transfer. Okay, once you're here, then you're going to see this screen. Again, keep in mind there is a 1% fee with 25 cent minimum if you choose this feature. While that looks good, go ahead and click this blue add card button. I'm going to click there now. Okay guys, next the screen pops up and you can go ahead and choose the top line, add credit or debit card. I'm going to click there now. Next, it gives you a little bit of information about what you're doing. So you're basically adding your bank debit card into your Apple Wallet now. So I'm going to click this blue button. All right, next your Apple Pay wallet is going to ask for your 16-digit card number and 3-digit security code from the back of your debit card. So I'm going to enter that in off screen now. Okay, I went ahead and entered in the required information. Next, I'm going to click this blue next button. Okay, next you're going to get this confirmation screen that you want to go ahead and scroll through and read, which is the typical terms and conditions. If all that looks good, go ahead and click this agree button. Okay, next you may end up getting this screen. This is the card verification where your bank will send you a text message or an email to confirm that you would like to add your bank debit card into Apple Pay. So go ahead and choose which method works best for you and then look for the code. Okay guys, just a few seconds later, the screen pops back up and now it should show the last 4 digits of the bank debit card that you will be transferring your Apple Pay cash to. If all that looks good, go ahead and click this blue transfer button here on the top right. Okay, next you're going to get this confirmation screen. So depending on what type of iPhone you have or device you're going to use, it's going to show you the instant transfer fee, also which card you're transferring your Apple Pay cash to, which bank debit card, and the total amount of the transfer. If all that looks good, go ahead and click this double click to confirm or use your thumb ID, whatever your phone asks you for. So I'm going to go ahead and confirm now. Okay, just a few seconds later, this screen pops up and as you can see, my Apple Pay cash has now been transferred to my bank debit card. So it used to say $15, now it only says $14. And after reviewing my Chase bank account or Chase bank debit card, the $1, actually the 75 cents has now been added almost immediately. So that's the easiest way I know how to transfer your Apple Pay cash to your bank debit card. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.